natin, we have to vet our resource person. Hindi katulad nito na paniniwalaan natin na marami palang kaso.
Yes, Your Honor, I fully agree with you. I fully agree with you. As I've said, meron akong pinaniwalaan sa kanya sinasabi, meron din akong hindi pinapaniwalaan. Kaya nga tayo nag-hearing dito, para nga i-validate natin yung mga pinagsasabi niya. Yun lang po sa akin, I want to hear everyone. Wala po kong sabihin na magpagamit kung anong meron siyang agenda. Wala po. At rest assured na hindi mo didiminish yung ating kwan dyan, yung ating reputasyon just because of entertaining Agent Jonathan Morales. For all we know, Mr. President, Your Honor, kahit na he is still facing cases, kahit na kumbiktado na yan, kahit na sabihin mo, siya ang pinakamasamang tao sa buong mundo, sa balat ng mundo, still, I believe na he has still his own piece of truth. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pinakamasamang tao yan, hindi na natin pagkapaniwalaan. How unfair can we be to the people kung hindi natin siya paniwalaan? Kahit na masama siyang tao. Kaya, that's the purpose of this hearing. To hear them, to listen to them. And it's for us to believe. Whether we believe on him or not, then same goes through with all the resource person. Ganoon po ang ating treatment dapat. Basta ako, I am just giving you the assurance as you're my vice chairman of this committee and including the Senate President. Please magtiwala lang kayo sa akin and I will do my best na hindi tayo mapapahiya dito sa yung institusyon natin. Hindi mapapahiya dahil sa ginagawa kong hearing.